Should you outsource or build an in-house team? That's the million-dollar question many business owners grapple with. Dive into the world of outsourcing first. A model where tasks, operations, jobs, or processes are farmed out to external companies or individuals, often in different countries. This model has seen a rise in popularity over the years, primarily due to its cost-effectiveness. Outsourcing can trim down operational costs significantly. It eliminates the need for hiring full-time employees, paying benefits, or investing in training and development. More so, it gives businesses access to a vast talent pool across the globe, often at a fraction of the cost of hiring domestically. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Outsourcing can sometimes lead to communication hiccups due to different time zones or language barriers. Quality control could also be a challenge, as the business owner is not in the same location as the outsourced team. Now, let's turn our attention to the in-house model. This model involves hiring and maintaining a full-time staff within your company's physical location. The primary advantage of an in-house team is control. Business owners have direct supervision over their staff and can guide their operations in real time. An in-house team can also lead to better communication and collaboration. Employees are all in the same location, working towards the same goals and sharing the same company culture. This often leads to a stronger team dynamic and improved productivity. However, an in-house team is often more expensive to maintain. Costs like salaries, benefits, office space, equipment, and training can quickly add up. So, which is better, outsourcing or in-house? The answer depends on your business's specific needs, goals, and budget. Outsourcing can be a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to access a wide talent pool without the high costs of hiring and maintaining a full-time staff. On the other hand, an in-house team might be the better choice for businesses that value control, communication, and collaboration above all else. Remember, every business is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's essential to weigh the benefits and drawbacks of both models and make the decision that best aligns with your business's goals and values. To summarize, outsourcing offers cost-effectiveness and access to a global talent pool, but may present challenges in communication and quality control. An in-house team provides control, improved communication and collaboration, but can be more expensive to maintain. In the end, the choice between outsourcing and building an in-house team is not a one-size-fits-all decision. It requires careful consideration of your business's individual needs, goals, and resources. Let's take a moment to discuss some positions that can be outsourced effectively without negative impact. Starting with IT services. From software development to network maintenance, IT services are among the most commonly outsourced. It's a great way to access specialized expertise without the high costs associated with hiring full-time IT staff. Next, customer service. Outsourcing customer service can provide 24/7 support to your customers. It's an effective solution for businesses that operate in multiple time zones or simply want to offer round-the-clock assistance. Moving on to accounting and finance. Many businesses outsource their accounting and finance tasks. This not only helps save costs, but also provides access to expert services that can handle complex financial management tasks with ease. And finally, human resources. HR tasks like payroll and benefits administration can be outsourced to save time and resources. This allows your in-house team to focus on strategic HR initiatives, rather than getting bogged down with administrative tasks. So as you see, outsourcing these positions can help reduce costs and increase efficiency without compromising on quality. It's all about finding the right balance and making informed decisions that support your business's goals and values.